If your OneDrive is stuck on sync pending, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step and get your files syncing again normally. This is a very common issue, especially when a file name has a problem, the file path is too long, or OneDrive just needs a quick reset. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, click the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. This is usually in the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. Once the OneDrive menu opens, look for an option that says View Sync Problems. If you see it, click it right away because it will tell you which file is causing the issue. Now check which file is showing sync pending. OneDrive usually highlights the exact file that is stuck, which makes it much easier to troubleshoot. If there are multiple files listed, focus on the one that keeps failing first. Once you know the file name, open File Explorer and go to your OneDrive folder. Inside the OneDrive folder, find the same file that is stuck syncing. Right-click the file, then click Rename. This is one of the most important fixes because OneDrive can get stuck if the file name contains unsupported characters. Look carefully for symbols like colon, asterisk, question mark, quotation marks, angle brackets, or the pipe symbol. If you see any of those, remove them from the file name. After cleaning up the file name, press Enter to save the new name. Then give OneDrive a moment to recheck the file. In many cases, that alone will clear the sync pending message. If the file still won't sync, check whether it is buried inside too many nested folders. OneDrive can struggle when the file path is extremely long. If the path is too deep, move the file to a simpler location, such as directly inside the main OneDrive folder. That shorter path often fixes the problem immediately. Also, make sure the file is not open in another app. If Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or another program is using the file, OneDrive may keep waiting until that app is closed. Next, click the OneDrive cloud icon again and choose the option to pause syncing for 2 minutes. Pausing and resuming sync can refresh OneDrive and clear a temporary stuck state. After 2 minutes, resume syncing and watch to see if the file starts uploading correctly. If the issue is still there, restart your PC. A simple restart can clear background glitches, release locked files, and give OneDrive a fresh start. After your computer restarts, check OneDrive again and see whether the sync pending status is gone. If that still does not work, we'll do a OneDrive reset. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box, then paste this command exactly, C:\program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset, press enter, and wait for the reset process to run. If that command does not work on your system, use this version instead, C:\program files open parenthesis x86 close parenthesis /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. Again, press enter and let it run. After that, wait about 2 minutes so OneDrive can fully reset in the background. Then open OneDrive again from the start menu and let syncing finish normally. You may see it reconnect and start processing your files again. At this point, one of these steps should fix the sync pending issue in OneDrive. The most common solutions are renaming the file, shortening the file path, closing the file in other apps, or resetting OneDrive. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and helpful Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.